Large herbivore, up to 2,000 pounds. Lifespan, 10 to 15 years. Endangered but recovering. Found in grasslands of North America. Carnivore. Packs hunt together. Lifespan, 6 to 8 years. Population, 6,000 in the wild. Threatened in some areas. Reptile, 12 to 15 feet long. Lifespan, 35 to 50 years. Found in southeastern U.S. Population, 1 million. Not endangered. National bird of the U.S. Lifespan, 20 to 30 years. Population, 316,000. Threatened due to DDT but recovered significantly. Also known as cougar or puma. Lifespan, 8 to 13 years. Population, 30,000. Found in forests and mountains of North America. Grizzly bear. Lifespan, 20 to 25 years. Found in Alaska and northern Rocky Mountains. Population, 55,000. Threatened in some regions. Sea otter marine mammal. Lifespan, 10 to 15 years. Population, 100,000. Endangered in some regions due to oil spills and hunting. American black bear. Lifespan, 20 to 30 years. Population, 600,000. Found in forests and swamps. Commonly seen across eastern North America. Eastern cottontail rabbit. Herbivore. Lifespan, 3 to 5 years. Population, abundant. Found in grasslands, meadows, and forests across the eastern U.S. Red fox. Lifespan, 3 to 6 years. Population, abundant. Found in forests, grasslands, and urban areas. Adaptable predator. American elk. Herbivore. Lifespan, 10 to 13 years. Population, 1 million. Found in forests and grasslands in western U.S. and Canada. Orca killer whale. Largest dolphin species. Lifespan, 30 to 50 years. Population, 50,000. Found in oceans worldwide. Apex predator. Wild turkey. Bird. Lifespan, 3 to 5 years. Population, 7 million. Found in forests and woodlands across eastern and central U.S. Leatherback sea turtle. Largest sea turtle. Lifespan, 30 plus years. Endangered. Population, 34,000. Found in oceans worldwide. Bobcat. Small wildcat. Lifespan, 7 to 10 years. Population, abundant. Found in forests, grasslands, and deserts across North America. Polar bear. Carnivore. Lifespan, 25 to 30 years. Population, 26,000. Found in Arctic regions. Vulnerable due to climate change. Common dolphin. Marine mammal. Lifespan, 20 to 25 years. Population, millions. Found in oceans, social animals known for acrobatics and intelligence. American antelope. Pronghorn. Herbivore. Lifespan, 10 to 12 years. Population, 500,000. Found in grasslands and deserts of North America. Fastest land animal. Great white shark. Apex predator. Lifespan, 70 years. Population, decreasing. Found in coastal waters. Can grow up to 20 feet long. Manatee. Herbivorous marine mammal. Lifespan, 40 to 60 years. Endangered. Population, 13,000. Found in warm coastal waters of the U.S. American alligator snapping turtle. Lifespan, 35 to 50 years. Population, decreasing. Found in freshwater rivers and lakes. endangered due to habitat loss. Narwhal, marine mammal, lifespan 30 to 40 years. Population 75,000. Known for its long, spiral tusk. Found in Arctic waters. River otter, semi-aquatic mammal, lifespan 10 to 15 years. Population abundant. Found in rivers, lakes, and coastal regions. Gray whale, migratory marine mammal, lifespan 50 to 70 years. Population 26,000. Endangered but recovering. Found in Pacific Ocean. Coyote, omnivore, lifespan 10 to 14 years. Population abundant. Found across North America, adaptable to diverse environments. Sandhill crane, bird, lifespan 20 to 30 years. Population 600,000. Found in wetlands across North America, migratory species. Red-tailed hawk, bird of prey, lifespan 10 to 15 years. Population abundant. Found in North and Central America. Known for its distinctive tail.
Snow leopard,
Carnivore, lifespan 15 to 20 years. Population endangered 4000. Found in mountainous regions of northern U.S. and Canada. Wild mustang, horse, lifespan 15 to 20 years. Population 60,000. Found in western U.S., known for its historical role in American history. American crocodile, reptile, lifespan 35 to 50 years. Population 1000. Found in southern Florida. Endangered due to habitat loss and hunting. Spotted owl, bird, lifespan 10 to 20 years. Population 4000. Endangered. Found in old-growth forests of the Pacific Northwest. Green sea turtle, marine reptile, lifespan 80 years. Population endangered. Found in coastal areas of the U.S. and around the world.
mantis shrimp,
Marine crustacean, lifespan 6 years. Population abundant. Found in tropical and subtropical waters. Known for powerful strikes. Sea lion, marine mammal, lifespan 16 to 20 years. Population 300,000. Found in Pacific coastal areas of the U.S., sociable and intelligent.
puffin,
Bird, lifespan 20 years. Population 2.5 million. Found along the coasts of the U.S., especially in Alaska. Red-shouldered hawk, bird of prey, lifespan 15 years. Population abundant. Found in forests and woodlands, particularly in the southeastern U.S. White-tailed deer, herbivore, lifespan 4 to 5 years. Population over 30 million. Found across North America, one of the most common large mammals. Humpback whale, migratory marine mammal, lifespan 40 to 50 years. Population 80,000. Found in oceans worldwide. Known for its complex songs. Copperhead snake, venomous snake, lifespan 18 years. Population stable. Found in forests and woodlands of eastern U.S. American woodcock bird, lifespan 5 to 10 years. Population 1 million. Found in forests and wetlands, known for its display flight. Sea turtle, loggerhead, marine reptile, lifespan 50 to 70 years. Endangered. Population decreasing. Found in oceans worldwide, nesting on U.S. beaches. American oystercatcher. Bird, lifespan 15 to 20 years. Population 50,000. Found along U.S. coasts. Endangered in some areas due to habitat loss. King cobra. Venomous snake, lifespan 20 years. Population 100,000. Found in southern U.S. extremely dangerous, largest venomous snake.
Moose.
Herbivore, lifespan 15 to 20 years. Population 200,000. Found in northern U.S. and Canada, largest member of the deer family.
Lynx.
Wildcat, lifespan 10 to 15 years. Population endangered. Found in forests of northern U.S. and Canada. Great horned owl. Bird of prey, lifespan 13 years. Population stable. Found across North America, known for distinctive ear tufts. Stellar sea lion. Marine mammal, lifespan 20 to 30 years. Population declining 70,000. Found in Alaska and along the Pacific coast. Rattlesnake. Venomous snake, lifespan 10 to 20 years. Population abundant. Found in deserts and forests across the U.S., known for rattling tail. Black-footed ferret. Carnivore, lifespan 3 to 4 years. Population endangered 300. Found in grasslands of the U.S., recovering from near extinction.